we can see Munsam Ebro, Ewon Quantana, and from Eugene, Kwame, and his positive Nina, Ebomiti Domnia di Jumediano, Ebesumo, and Ne Anno Pay, Ewon Quantana, so, and now quite a your idea. A TGIF, thank God, it's Friday, and to Umpatamu Sam no, you better the home common brain, you know, Tamuchuku, Udia. Any open so radio, so bedtime now. I heard Jumediano live on Facebook. Now comment be a one also or the ato amaya na yedi hujuma edi amao. Nyame boa and that Ghana Premier League no shasye na yebedi di nkomoni bebre. And so Jumediano so yes some na senior fan some no emro. Me say wa Ghana Football Association emra omo presente the Catalan within air goodies. Emma 20 Premier League clubs ahead of new season. Barcelona say enema etia mini air goal post, singats, cones, markers, ball airbags, football pumps, training bits, any football. And who near man to bra Facebook sisia. Once a near mana Emra Ghana Football Association. Edema aye 20 women's Premier League clubs nina and so a good food Facebooka ubaya bia na to me say club bia kwa no ajo de utrodi ampem da kwa ladies no ajo de Aston ladies no ajo de fabulous ladies enti bra Facebook ubo se niema no enso egu on ma tracksuit no efe ye pa enti bra Facebook na be hwe niema no na niema ekon kan so benya bia hwe na bibia enso akoso kama ye de ahonsam no ema e odwumade ne so cat ears okreku president Emma Ghana Football Association. Now the Samdu na atuda entai. And then Sambeto just say assemblyman dia reporting referee say or 7,000 Ghana cedis. Na no na cat years okreku edna no atum say sansam ni nyina omo suspending referee na omo ye ensam ni mu anhwehwemu na yetie nsam a cat years okreku edituda.
Please, we woke up this morning hearing about some match officials who are reported to have received some money in the just ended football season. The Executive Council this morning asked the General Secretary and the Referees Committee to take out those names that have come into the public domain and ensure that investigations are conducted towards the behavior of those persons before they can be readmitted into the refereeing.
Wey ayan sama cat years okreku editu da area honsam no ma odwumade so DFA president esa to aso ka say Ghana Premier League year started na onwo COVID-19 panie na untumi Emma Stadium na sansam no DFA president aboyemu ntemu a o che say panie no omawo enti oso bia enso ekọ panie ni bi na enema ekonkan Emma eye obi a ope football.
Going to roll out a lot of vaccines. I understand every this week we are having 5 million vaccines coming into the country. So there's a lot more vaccine available to the people. I want to ensure that we enjoy our sport in our usual manner where we can chant and sing like it's currently happening across Europe. People go into the stadium even without a face mask. Okay, and they enjoy the sport because they've been vaccinated. And once we have the chance to be vaccinated, we need to encourage our people to be vaccinated. And we're starting from our good selves. I have vaccinated. All our Premier League clubs, Division 1 clubs, and Women Premier League clubs are going to be vaccinated, and we encourage our direct consumers also to be vaccinated. So we are free because at the end of the day, we go out into the system and they don't want to be at risk anymore. Okay, so I would encourage everybody to be vaccinated so we can enjoy our footy again. It is with the immediate effect. Players are being vaccinated as we speak. The government is rolling out the vaccines again this week, so it's happening side by side.
Wey ayan someone DFA president cat years okreku di tuja yade ahonsam ni bi ema ena no pai e odwumade ne so na abekaya DFA president Congress national or the Kotuja say omo say e-ticketing ehun sensem and okan ewa bra no mo launch Ghana Premier League and a football season or the Kotuja na no ana NSN so ba bonten na bra Facebook sisia na be hwe eye letter and a release NSN no enso ediaba yakin ka bia ma anopenti bra Facebook and the Facebook one so asisia obenya bia he no akin kan bi omo the release na ba omo che say na eye DF no enso omo decision say ombeya na omo aya e-ticket hun sansam no omo enyai na venues no aya aban dia aban mom and also the SARS system no eba in the release no or say yenhwe na yankin kan release ni bi ema anopay at the Facebook into kwa ubenya bia he or say to all clubs using the NSS stadium as home ground complaint from the National Sports Authority. The National Sports Authority wishes to caution all clubs and sporting associations or federations to desist from establishing their own digital platforms for revenue collection associated with sporting activities within stadia belonging to the state and under the management of the authority. The Ministry of Finance, with the support of the Office of the Vice President, His Excellency Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia, has introduced a digital platform into bracket Ghana.gov for all government agencies and departments for online services and revenue collection. The National Sports Authority will be onboarded to this platform by mid-November 2021, and this shall serve as the only online system upon which all financial transactions, including tickets to stadiums, stadium matches, would be performed. It must therefore be noted that until the new government online revenue system for the authority is rolled out, the existing process for delivering all match tickets to the stores of NSA before distribution for sale still exists. In the case of sale of advance tickets, a plan approval should be sought from the NSA. Please treat this important, and we wish all the clubs a successful season. Thank you, Professor Peter Chumesi, Ono and Director General NSA. Omode Ababa to Janese. Sa and Sama, Efreni Batuja, each take it to once and some no, almost there be Omu holding on. Now by now, and so about Omodia, and no idea bar, Yadia won't some no, Emma, Jumadian so, now Ghana Premier League once and some ya, and a Ghana football president, GFA Association, no, Omodi to just say, we are referee. And now we are a football fan. Now, so when you be report to the appropriate channel.
Somebody from behavior, sorry. But when it is that it happens, there are rules that we have to follow. And I think over last season we did our maximum. We continue to educate people. I think that the educational drive will be intensified this year, and hopefully we will be able to minimize the act of vandalism that we all went through. It's important that people understand that there are always three results in the game: a win, a draw, or a defeat. Simple. Okay, and when it is that you're not happy, there are laid down procedures for you to address the concerns, and we must respect the procedures that we have. And we've done our best, and we continue to do our best in terms of engaging the security agencies. I've gone as far as the IGP, but we'll continue to work for football in this country. The judicial bodies are working, and we would also encourage the IGP and his personnel also to be by our side.
Wait, I am someone 30 years okay, could for president. And the two guys on some no Emma Jumadian and Siam Clavish Kakra, Niamfa and Samno and Tuaso and Mamo Albino Size and Ra among Valley a new kit ahead of the season. Yeah, and then Abra Facebook, number her, Sir Mina Sacks and so kits no, and so Edaswa. Yadia won some no Emma Jumadian and so na black. No, I confused into no Sana Albina Sacks. Diano and a dozen into Bra Facebook is here. Number her Albina Sacks. Okay, now, Ombe Yusuf for 2021-2022 football season. I feel young Great Olympics. Only that day. Only Rosalinda. Only Masi. Only a good day. Now it's a Facebook is here. Another whole Olympics. Brad Olympics just here. Olympics just, you know, at your papa. It's Facebook is here. Now, Brad Olympics just here. Ombe Yusuf this season. Now, Enema and Conkai. Now, Sergeant for Anna Ajimai Badu. Emma Diana Stars. Aha, Bobo Kono, no, team rap. Now, in some of the two and say on their or set a Diana Stars Bobo Kono, said 2021-2022 season, I hear me GPL title, no, a Diana Jumbaby, no money title, no, and for Emma Doman and Potema, and no idea by a dear some no Emma Jumadian so. Accra Lions, and now, Omni Elmina Stars Bobo Kono, and a game no air bustle, 6 p.m. at Accra Sports Stadium. Referee. Bernard Kwame Sefa, Benjamin Kwame Sefa, no, and I had to Tuniama, assistant line 1, Patrick Papala, line 2, Kenneth Nibua Kodia, 4th official, Joshua Samaji, Mark Commissioner, no, Paul Ayamba, venue media officer, Nana Equia Frima, game no, live on Star Times in Pachau, 6 p.m. Debra, Nahe Jumediano, Ebina, Koto Kohun, and 7 young Kwanianko, squad numbers. It said players no one battle. team no de obia enso ebe sentine bra Facebook na be kotoko squad numbers number 1 Razak Abelora ebe se number 1 16 Jesse ebe kwa Madanlad Ibrahim Kwame Ba ebe se 22 ana Yakubu Abdul Rafiu enso ebe se Jesse number 31 and no goalkeepers no the defenders no Augustine Japan ebe se Jesse number 2 Yusuf Mubarak ebe se Jesse number 4 Imoro Ibrahim Jesse number 5 Andrews Kodapau Jesse number 15 Charles Owusu Jesse number 17 Patrick Kojo Asma Jesse number 21 Christopher Nete Jesse number 23 Samuel Apia Jesse number 24 Maxwell Kofi Ajman Jesse number 25 and Abdul Ghani Ismail and Ebeshe Jesse number 30 midfielders ni say enetie Jesse number 3 Eleko Amma Mudasiru Salifu Emmanuel Keke Ebeshe Jesse number 6 number 8 Ebeko Amma Richard Boadu Agadas Fabio Gama Ebeshe Jesse number 10 Joseph Amwakon Ebeshe Jesse number 12 Clinton Opoku Jesse number 13 Isaac Opon Jesse number 14 Richmond Lamptey Jesse number 19 Dixon Afokwa Jesse number 20 and Jesse number 26 Ebeko Ama Sharif Mohammed forward no say enetie Evans Adumako Ebeshe Jesse number 7 Imfege Joy Rodriguez Ebeshe Jesse number 9 12 Mbella Frank Thierry and Ebeshe Jesse number 11 Samuel Boateng Ebeshe Jesse number 18 27 Jesse Ebeko Ama Andy Kumi Francis Jesse number 28 Solomon Safutela and Jesse number 29 Eleko Ama Steven Amankuna etiano Kobia Sanagoroko na ana Korokobo Bokono and so bom ketem no mako and kan no mako akobwa amako to ahoboa ne so na nyame boa otina game a omone aye Dreams FC ebo Accra Sports Stadium no omode niama asesa ntiano de ba yade ahonsam no ma odwumade ne so na quickly mame run through coaches this season on Bejina touchline ama the various teams has to folk coach Samobuadu Asanagoroko Dr. Prosperity Ogum Wafa Zaragoza Gualem Adiana Stars Joseph Asaribediakon Great Olympics Anon Walker Dreams FC Verislav Verit Kaila United Bismarck Kobe Mensa Brokum Chelsea Abdul Hanan Abu 11 Wonders Yawa Champon Becham United Kasim Mingo Okansi Lagos City Maxwell Kunadu Ken Pfizer Nuruddin Amadou Elmina Sharks Ni Odatelamti Accra Lions Grena Crafts RTU Saibu Ibrahim Tanko Mediama Ignatius Osefosu Ashanti Gold Ernest Thompson Cote Anna Gold Stars Bobo Kono and so coach Michael Osaya yade ahonsam no ma odwumade ne suntino yehwe na enra Manchester toja ewa manone no yemfa ahonsam kakra entudwa ema ma odwumade ne so na yenso na radio hini agudi enso emeto odwumade ne so emfa ema mo na ansana no ubeka ya hasofo omukọ Africa no yade se support bia enso emfri aban no ho amana Professor Tumasi aboye ntremu dientia eye aban no enso hasofo enya support emfri omo.
We have honorable members who were police, ministry, where police is a one qualified for Africa for the champions and other friends continuously emergency customer. Police, other policy there, we are bound to one review. Which means and the minister said that police that's who one man a year. So you have one more, that's a year, and then you want to and the man of the but if that policy is no more, we are not friends. I find supporting
Way and sama Professor Tumasi and the two guys on some no man and La Liga Santander and saying that here South Africa Tinafia rest of the Academy no want me anti Granada and it got for game no a 1-1 Levante SMU no Atletico Madrid and SMU Serie A game back or Eba so Napoli SMU and San Bologna and so to me anti Biano and the Tia on some no Mounty at the best na radio hini agudi and so about 12 million so at the amount 7 people.